Welcome to Cleveland, Ohio. This is actually North Ridgeville, suburb of Cleveland. And this morning it was 58 degrees out. Now it's 26 degrees. This is what we got. There's rain, ice, now snow. This is what we're dealing with up here in the Midwest, guys. Pretty crazy, huh? From 58 to 26 in a couple hours. This is what we got. Now snow. This is it. Alright guys, share out your video of your weather. That's crazy. If you want to do that, share that with me. I'm kind of interested in that. So if you haven't subscribed to the Grimes Factor yet, I don't know what you're waiting for. God bless.